Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to easily generate and validate FAQ schema markup for your website to enhance your SEO and secure rich results on Google. Let's dive right in. Start by searching for WebDeskArt in your web browser and click on the link to visit their website. On the home page, navigate to the top menu, hover over Tools, go to SEO Analysis, and click on FAQ Schema Generator. Have your frequently asked questions ready. Copy your first question and paste it into the question field. Then, copy the corresponding answer and paste it into the answer field. Click the Add Another FAQ button to create a new input section. Repeat the process of copying and pasting for your remaining questions and answers. Once you have entered all your FAQs, scroll down and click the Generate Schema button to create your JSON-LD code. Click the Copy Code button to save the generated schema script to your clipboard. You can verify the code using the Schema.org Markup Validator. Navigate to the tool, select Code Snippet, paste your schema, and click Run Test to confirm the structure is completely valid. And that's it. Your FAQ schema is now error-free and ready to be injected into your website's backend. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.